The career fairs in the past 2 years during the COVID gave us the opportunities to collaborate with local and overseas universities and experts online. The career fest this year, with the removal of the restrictions of the pandemic, opens the door for us to have face-to-face first-hand life experiences. The Career Fest 2023 has provided our students with both unique university programs and interesting workplace experience, in addition to alumni sharing and a number of workshops. Concerning university programs, we are delighted to collaborate with 6 renowned local universities for taster lectures on our school campus. Students could also enjoy tailor-made university visits according to their choice. Concerning the workplace experience, on one hand, industry leaders talks were organized with a wide range of career booths set up in our school. On the other hand, students could visit their favorite corporation to understand the latest development. We respect our students' individual uniqueness and embrace challenges. The vigorous and interactive programs were planned and organized according to the survey amongst our Year 7 to 11 students. We believe that the university, faculties and industry icons can inspire our students to plan for their future.
The extensive survey has gathered students' study preferences and interests in various industries. The Career Fest is then designed to align with their aspirations and passions. For academics, we have university taster lecturers from the prestigious universities. For example, we were happy to hear a lecture from Professor Vincent Mock, Assistant Dean of CUHK, about his expertise on dementia. We had also had Dr. Jack Leung from HKUST delivering the talk on innovation and entrepreneurship. In addition, we had partnered with 5 universities to offer customized university visits for the choices from the students. These visits include different faculties and departments.
During my own university visit, I had the privilege of gaining first-hand exposure into Hong Kong's University Faculty of Medicine. I had the chance to talk with university educators about their courses and to observe the campus environment myself, which gave me insights and helped me evaluate and understand these career paths more in-depthly, and enabled me to better understand my own interests and aspirations.
Another standout feature of the Career Fest was exploring industries. We had arranged the captivating sharing sections by industry leaders and prominent experts from different fields. To name a few, a chief engineer provided valuable insights into the foundational theories and concepts behind the constructions of the Zhangguanou Lamjin Tunnel. Furthermore, a CEO from an announced company specializing in artificial intelligence shared a comprehensive overview of the interventions in the field of AI. We have also arranged a career booth section that features small group discussions with 10 mid-level professionals from various fields. The Career Fest also provided students at their own choice with the chance to visit 6 prominent companies, including Woodson's Group, Leakey Group, PC Setup Media Group, and more.
The lecture by the chief engineer was a source of inspiration for me. The lecturer painted an insightful and vivid picture of engineering as a dynamic field where creativity, problem solving, and innovation converge to make a tangible impact on the world. The lecture resonated with me deeply and affirmed me to apply my love for math and science to create meaningful solutions in the future.
In fact, to prepare students with the knowledge of career life planning, the seeds are sown during our middle years program. We arranged various workshops on interpersonal and career planning development. On top of this, they were required to develop action plans, which were closely monitored by their homeroom teachers.
The guest speaker I chosen for my career booth was not only well-versed and extraordinarily passionate in his field, but he was also passionate about invigorating young people. From his speech, I learned what it took to pursue law, the benefits it brought to the speaker's life, and the benefits it could bring to people with different strengths. And most importantly, I can say with confidence that all I've learned from this Career Fest will be commensurate with my career options further down the line.
In addition to the insightful presentations by professionals, we've also invited alumni to share their university experiences with our students. These sessions aim to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the positive aspects of university life and to help them prepare for their future university admissions.
From aspiration to exploration,
From exploration to participation.
the sky is not the limit.